Hello everyone, this is Konak from Group 13. I'm going to show you a demo of our project. So the main problem before us was to help the on-site doctors in Ukraine who does not know the Ukrainian language. So they would help the local people. But the problem arrives of the language barrier because they don't know the Ukrainian language. For that, we have created this product so it will translate from English to the Ukrainian language. So this is our home page. On the left, you can see here, enter term here. After entering the input here, and you will click the translate button here, the translation would be generated in this box. This section is of translation source, which will show you the source from where it is translating. So this speaker button and this transcription are two features that I use so that it would help the user to pronounce and communicate in a more effective manner to convey the message. After clicking on the speaker button, it will convert this output translation into speech. This transcription feature will give you the phonetic translation so that you can pronounce the word properly. There, here it is a history feature which will show you the latest 5 words that we have used for our translation. Now I'll show you a demo of it. Let's start with a simple word. After clicking on this translate button, you can see it has generated its translation, the translation source, and the transcription. So we are maintaining a database in MongoDB so that it can fetch the translation from the data. Right now, this hello word is in not our database, so it is using the Google Translate API for the translation. As the database only contains the top 500 essential list of medicine. Now I will try one with that list. So this is a list of essential medicine. Now I will select one medicine, let's say naloxone. Now I'll use this for a translation. As you can see, it has given its translation in Ukrainian, and you can use this this text to speech feature and this transcription feature for its translation. Here you can see it has used the Wikipedia source for its translation. So after clicking on the speaker button, you will hear its pronunciation. You will see that this sound and this are the same. After clicking on this history button, you can see the two latest words that we have used for a translation. It shows you the top 5 words, the latest 5 words that we have used for translation. When a sixth word we translate, it will swap it with the first word. It's like a queue. If you click this history button again, it will disappear. So this is our main feature of translation and providing it with the translation source, text to speech, and transcription. So I will tell you a little bit about our company. Our company is a startup situated in Canada, working to bridge the digital gap in remote areas where internet and electricity is an issue. So here, after clicking on these 4 icons, you can see about them in a more way. Clicking on this button, it will redirect you to the company's website. This goes to their Twitter page. This goes to their Facebook page. And this goes to their LinkedIn. Now I will show you our about page. So here it is our team. with their names, photos, and their roles in this project. After clicking on their LinkedIn button, it could redirect to the LinkedIn. This is the help page that can be used by the user for getting more information about the website, for how to use this website. So here it is the last feature, which is the update translation feature. So suppose a user is not happy with the translation, or maybe a word is not available in a database. So here he or she can put in a request that will send it to the admin. So the admin can decide whether he or she wants to update the database. So here you could select the word input language English and send the output as Ukrainian. After filling these boxes and adding the translation source, after submitting this, it would send a request to the admin to change it in a database or to add it in the database. So this was a video of all the features in a project. Thank you.